Hi guys, I'm Dr. Aruna. Today I'm going to share about adversity makes you or breaks you. So guys, before we dive into the topic, please do subscribe the channel Holistic Self Mastery and Wellness, a platform to master oneself. So coming to the topic, adversity are the obstacles, challenges, misfortunes that each one will undergo in one's own life. And guys, adverse situation defines a different you and it makes you to break down or break records. And the choice is ultimately in your own hands. And this choice will determine your success or failure. So, guys, in these unfavorable situations, motivation should be like a burning fire, adding fuel to it. And don't worry about the obstacles because greater your storm of obstacles, the brighter your rainbow of life. And also know that not all storms comes to disrupt your life and some may come to clear your path. So sometimes the world shakens you to awaken you. So believe that every obstacle demands a different you. So every adversity is an opportunity in disguise. So each one has their own power to overcome these challenges. So it's a pretty thing that when people undergo obstacles, they do ask themselves as why is this happening to me and what did I do? So instead of that, focus on what it does teach you. So guys, every adversity provides valuable lessons and don't get shatter yourself. So guys, here are the 5 steps to overcome adversity. Number 1, accept or acknowledge the situation. Take a pause and reflect on yourself to accept the adverse situation as it is. Because when you start accepting itself, I think half of the problem will get sorted. So just be okay with the situation no matter what. And the second step is think or develop about the plan. So brainstorming, that is thinking deeply over the problem, will help you to figure out the solution. And if you can't fix it, just ask for a support, maybe with your friends, family or a mentor. And the third step is that change what you can. So guys, identify what is within your control and resolve it to make a change. Well, you know that you can't change anyone else or you can't change your past. And when your situation is out of your control and if you cannot change it, better you change your attitude. And really guys, that matters a lot. So please don't waste time and energy trying to change things that you cannot change. So guys, let off and move on. And fourth is learning perspective. So guys, have a mindset that difficult situation comes to define a different you and also refine you. And it's also true that every tough situation teaches you a lesson. So just be a keen observer of what it intends to teach you. And this fortune can happen out of misfortune situations only. Though it may be hard to accept right now as you are powerless, but you are going to rock the world in future prospects. It can really make you stronger both mentally and emotionally. So guys, believe that adversity defines a new you and refines you. The next step is develop coping skills. So to cope up with hard feelings, just tell yourself that adversity is not permanent and it will pass on. And it's also true that strength doesn't come from what you can do and it comes from overcoming the things that you cannot do. So, and finally, you surround yourself with positivity both internally and externally. And you can't always get what you want, but you can work for who you want to be no matter what life throws at you. So, the way you handle life challenges can bring you a different version of you. And it's pretty true that adversity introduces a new man to himself. So, guys, here let us take an instance. Albert Einstein, who could not speak until the age of 4, and he could not also read until the age of 7, and he has undergone all these adversities, and finally he invented the electric bulb after making 999 attempts. So, guys, think yourself, does your adversity is really heartbreaking or heart soothing by hearing ancient struggles? So, guys, every adversity has its own seed of greater and equivalent benefit. And adversity is nothing but is an opportunity in disguise. So, well, guys, that's all for today. I'll come back soon with other interesting session. And don't forget to like the video, comment it, and subscribe the channel. Keep smiling and keep motivated. Bye as of now. Thank you. Have a great day.